Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and press notifications and give this video a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to be making some banana bread, but instead of in a mold, we're going to make it in little cupcake. So first we're going to add eggs. Okay, then banana. Okay. We're gonna add some condensated milk. Okay. Then our flour. Okay, then we're gonna blend it. I'll be right back. I forgot, we can also add some vanilla extract. I forgot to tell you guys. Some baking powder you can add. Like barely anything because you don't want it to add a lot. Because sometimes you can taste it. Okay, now we blend. Okay, now we're gonna put it into molds. I don't have the cupcake tray or muffin pan, so we're just gonna use these. Good. I'm also gonna try to make it in the air fryer. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes maybe. So I'll be right back once they're done. Okay guys, so I did it in the air fryer. This is how it turned out. It looks nice. It smells good, but I'm not gonna eat it. I'll just leave a comment down below how it tastes because it's so hot. But bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Hope you like, subscribe, and hit those post notifications. Bye!